i35equipment.com. This is a big John Deere 862B scraper. This unit has a brand new 29.5-25 tire on the back here. Welcome you, come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire someone who wants to accompany you to get you a professional opinion. This machine has not been ran or started in a few years. It's part of a group of scrapers that are going to be selling as a package out here. You can always see all the specs, photos, and info on that, along with our full and up-to-date inventory consignment equipment on our website at i35equipment.com. Should I go hauling quote? Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers, nationwide broker, and a wrecker service. Get you a hauling quote on getting it shipped to you. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange your own hauling, or can pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Looks like this door is shut.